everybody. It is 7:33. Ben woke up I think at like 6 something. Graham just left for work maybe about 30 minutes ago. I woke up a while ago, but you know, I've been trying to fall back asleep. Charlotte actually did pretty good last night. She did wake up at like 5:45 this morning, and I just had her kind of lay with me just because, yeah, but she actually slept pretty good this morning. I'm just really tired. Yeah, so we are gonna go to the we're gonna go to the doctor's office in a couple minutes just to go. I have to, actually not a couple minutes, I have to get dressed. Charlotte's not up yet, but we're gonna get going to the clinic, and then I'm gonna go to Aldi. I'm gonna get some stuff for the kids and stuff. I just want to get a couple things at Aldi. I haven't been there in months, so I'm like, let's just get some stuff to have to make. Whoa, the light, it looks so white. Oh my goodness, hasn't adjusted to me. There we go. So that's what's going on. I plan on finishing my Cindy cup for Lori today. Thank you, Lori, for sending me your address. And then well, you guys were asking me about the dog bowls. I will be making the dog bowls, but I don't intentionally want to use the dog bowls for myself. Like I got them to sell. So if anybody wants a dog bowl, let me know. If you want like a specific color or name. I don't know what to charge on it yet because I don't know how much jewels it'll take. I don't know if it'll take, I think it might take more than a cup does, but I don't know. So if anybody wants to purchase one, I got 2 different sizes. I don't know, just let me know. Otherwise I'm just gonna make just a plain one with just jewels all over the place without any name on it, and most likely I will put it on my Etsy page. So we will see. I'm in a group that I'm gonna ask people and see if maybe they possibly know. I'm just walking in circles. If they know how much jewels to use. So we will see, we will see, we will see. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get dressed, and hopefully Charlotte still sleeps while I'm getting dressed. We'll get going, and then today I'm going to finish that cup. I'm gonna work on my friend's cup a little bit more, and then I'm gonna start cutting out. No, I'm gonna let her sleep, but I'm gonna cut out some wreath stuff today. So that's my goal, and then kind of just pick up a little. Like I said, I'm taking a break from cleaning. Like, really, I've been picking up here and there. So hey, I'll catch you guys back in a bit. So the time is now 10. Whoop. Ben's trying to get something out of Charlotte's hand. Ben, just let her be. He doesn't want Charlotte touching. She's fine holding it, Ben. She's not gonna break it. She's just gonna hold it and then she'll drop it down. You're okay. You're okay. So yeah, so we are home. Yeah, we got there. Ben, go sit down. Leave your sister alone. She has my iPod, you know, from back like 5-10 years ago. And he wants it, and it's like he's just gonna put it in his kitchen, and she's pretending to make a phone call with it. So here, Charlotte, have my phone. Here, get that to your brother. Oh, what I do. So like I said, it is now 10:32. We just got home. Kids are fine, so I'm starting Ben on some medication to see what we'll do. They're only giving us like a 30-day supply, so we will see how that does. But we went to Aldi today. I'm gonna do a little haul. I'll probably have that. I'm gonna just show you guys what I bought. I'm trying to get a little bit healthier snacks, you know, just foods and stuff. So I'm gonna probably film that haul in a little bit and then post that, so you guys will probably already see it before I post this video. But yeah, so today my goal is just kind of picking up throughout the house. Charlotte, can I have that? Can I have that? Thank you. Thank you. She's finding all these markers with no lids to it. So that's what I'm going to do, is just kind of pick up. I'm going to vacuum because I feel like we have to vacuum our house every single day. Every day. So yeah, and I haven't had anything to eat yet, so I'm going to probably have a snack. I'm going to film a video, have a snack. Hold on, honey. Have a snack, and then get some stuff picked up, and then I'm just gonna sit and chill for a little bit. Charlotte will probably be taking her nap within the next hour. So,
hey,
I'll see you guys. So it's 3:10. Graham's been bothering me. What? You got the test results back? Do you have the test results back? From what I kind of Googled, I think Ben passed. I think if it was really bad, they would have called us by now to let us know what was going on. There is some stuff that he's like right there, but there is some stuff where he is pretty low, but I do not think he has diabetes. I think he's like right at the line. So we will see what happens. I think with him being on medication, I know it'll take his appetite away, but I think he may need that. Not because he needs to starve, just because he constantly eats all the time. When he's bored, he eats, and he doesn't know portion control. Like, he wants some chips, that's fine. I put them in a bowl for him, portion control. But, you know, yeah. So that's what's going on. I've been outside with the kids for about maybe an hour, maybe 45 minutes, half an hour, I don't know. But I finished Cindy's cup. So Lori, I'm gonna let this dry and I will ship these out to you on Monday. So be prepared for that. Funny thing is, I just brought my tray right outside and sat on the front steps and the kids just played while I was doing that. So that's kind of cool. I might do some more cups. I might work on my cooler cup that I haven't finished yet. I just gotta clean up all my jewels because I bumped it, but I'm gonna work on my cooler cup too. So that's what I'm gonna do while I'm outside watching the kids. Graham should be home in about an hour, hour and a half. So that's fun. Miss Benjamin, are you inside or you what?
I'm just gonna put my toys away.
Okay, so I'll catch you guys back later today when we have more things going on. So it is now 6:37. We're gonna go for a family walk. We're gonna walk a long ways. But yeah, like I said, Ben did good on his test, but he's like right there. So we'll have to see how he is, but we are gonna try to work with him on eating stuff differently. He did eat some new foods today and he actually liked them, so we're gonna go with that. But we're gonna go for a family walk.
Look at you, Charlotte! Swinging! Yeah! Oh, I think she wants down. She's being a little stink butt.
Want down?
She's like, I see the camera out, so nope, I want to swing with you, Dad. She's like, swing. That's fine, honey. Whee! Look at this smile. Whee! Okay, you guys, Miss Charlotte wants to sit on my lap while I'm swinging. And now she's like, Mom, I want to get down. Woo! Okay, don't go by your brother.
No, shoot, hold on to her.
Can Charlotte go at
and then look at Mr. Benny Pooh.
Can Charlotte go at the very end fly?
Hey, no.
Can Charlotte go at the very end?
Hey, you guys. So I just put Charlotte down to go to bed. Ben's gonna be going to bed soon. It is currently 9:10. I'm going to pretty much put this video up and then I am gonna go to bed because I have to wake up at like 6:20 in the morning because we have to be out the door by 7:20 is when we have to be out the door, maybe a little bit earlier. And then I have to drop Charlotte off and then take Ben with us. And then the mall doesn't open till 11 and I want to go to the mall, but I might go a different day. But I do have to go to Kohl's. So I have to look and see. I got coupons to use at the mall. But so I don't know what's going on yet tomorrow, but we're all hanging outside after our long walk. And we were just talking to the neighbors, and as we were talking to the neighbors, my phone went cha-ching. So I got 2 more Etsy orders, you guys. I'm pretty excited for that. So I gotta go get that mailed out tomorrow. But yeah, so not much else going on. I'm not even tired, but I want to just relax. Maybe have a small bowl of ice cream and then just go to bed. So I will see you guys all tomorrow for a fun-filled day. See you guys later. Bye-bye.